Morning, guys. Today my topic is meiosis. Let's start. Let's see what is the meiosis. Meiosis is a process where a single cell divided twice to produce four cells containing half of the original amount of the genetic information. This means and each and every parent cells like mother cell or parent cell produce two daughter cells. These two daughter cells also divided into again two cells. Totally we will get cell. Either it is male or female cell. Either it is female or either it is female or male mother cells produce two daughter cells. These two daughter cells also continue meiosis and produce four daughter cells. In this, each and every daughter cell have 50% genetic information same to parent cell. It means these parent cells have, it means if the parent cell have 100% genetic information and each and every parent cells, each and every daughter cells have 50% genetic information related to parents. That's why they are called the meiosis. Twice to produce four cells, twice and produce the four cells and containing half of the original amount of the genetic information. Parent cells lo each and every daughter cell have 50% parent cell genetic information. One of the most important question, where does occur? And we know meiosis and mitosis is happening in the body, but maximum people are studying these cells are produced these stages. But thing is, where does occur? And still during in my MSc, I'm also confused where does occur in mitosis and meiosis. I know I understand the stages, but where does occur is the my minus question. Now I clear this concept. I know where does occur, and so I'm explaining you. Let's see. Meiosis only occur in the reproductive cells, testis and ovary, as the goal is to create the haploid gametes that will be used in the fertilizers. We know in the sex cell have the haploid system. It means one end system. Each and every sex cell have one and one end system. Then gametes are produced to N haploid. It is the haploid system. So in the cells, during the cells formation and haploid cell formation, it is takes place by the meiosis. It means only meiosis goal main is produce the gametes. It is means sperms and eggs in the reproductive organs. Testis is the for sperms and ovary is the eggs for the female. And let's see, I will explain you. See, it is the male reproductive organ system. It is the female reproductive organ system. In this year, we testis, male gonad. In this testis takes place in the takes place for synthesis, formation of the sperm cells. Here ovary, here also takes place meiosis and formation of the eggs. And what will happen here in this testis? Testis, if you know testis section cutting, the germ cells will be there. The germ cells will be 2N system. It is the haploid system. Haploid system. This 2N haploid system in the for sperm cells. These germ cells go to the metasis. It is also give the two cells. It is also have the 2n. It is also have the 2n. These cells also goes again, again, sorry, not again. These mitosis cells, it means 2n cells, goes to the sorry, uh, metasis, sorry, meiosis, produce 4 sperm cells. We know each and every cells produce the 4 individual daughter cells, each and have haploid system. In these 4 cells, in these 4 cells have the 1n system. It is the male reproductive system. Similarly, in the ovary also same to same. Here also germ cells will be there in the ovary, and after the cells are takes place in the meiosis, produce the two organium cells. These organium cells undergoes the meiosis, and each and every parent cells produce the 4 eggs, and these cells are contain haploid system. In these 4 eggs, only 3 eggs are digest takes place, and only 1 egg go to for the fertilization for fallopian tube. Here the meiosis occur. Once here meiosis occur and formation of the sex cells or gametes, these gametes have the 1n system. These gametes goes to 1n gives 2n. It is the haploid system. Then this haploid system again takes place the mitosis, and the body formation and organ formations are takes place. Let's see stages of the meiosis. Before going meiosis, I will tell you mitosis. We know 2n system 46, and each and every cells have same chromosome as a parent cells. So it is the 100% 100% have genetic information. But here meiosis, it means it is also 2n system, but each and every daughter cell have only haploid system. Only 50% genetic information present in these cells. And next, what is the stages here? Here very important. We know in my previous video I also discussed in the mitosis. Mitosis in this have prophase and metaphase, anaphase and telophase and cytokinase, and then produce the 2 cells. Here also same to same, but here 2 steps are there, 2 stages are there. Meiosis 1, meiosis 1, then from here to here meiosis 2. Same to same, remaining all our steps are same to same. It is the normal cell, central cells here. Wait. It is here spindle, and it is centrosome, and this centrosomes goes to the pole side. It is the metaphase. In this metaphase, each and every chromosome bind and on the metaphase plate, and according the poles, centrosomes poles attraction, each and every chromosomes goes to the pole side, and after in the telophase, the cytoplasmic separations are takes place. Here produce the 2 cells. Similarly, again these cells are, these prophase and metaphase and anaphase reactions are continue in the meiosis 2. So finally 1 cell to we will get 4 cells. Here it is the parent cell, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 daughter cells. And see, it is a microscope picture. See, I will tell you. It is like normal cell interphase. These are the interphase. It is the cytokinin phase. It is the cytokinin phase. I think it is the anaphase because you can see separate here takes place anaphase, and it is also going to late anaphase. We will call the late because already maximum separated. Late anaphase. It is the starting anaphase. Two cells are producing here. Cytokinins takes place. And yeah, remaining rest of cells same to same. And one more important questions from this topic: which which stages of the cell division of the following figures A and B represent to respectively? Let's see first of all figure B. Anybody? I think it is looking like normal cell. So normal cell means prophase. Prophase. And these cells are so anaphase से थोड़ा different है. It is not telophase. Telophase means it is totally separate. Metaphase also not there. Prophase also not there. It means it is the anaphase. Already in the previous picture I show it. It is the later. So answer is 4. Next, in this topic, we will get what questions are there asking in the CSA. Let's see important questions. Which one if the following cellular structure always disappear during in the meiosis and mitosis and meiosis? Disappear. Plasma membrane also available in these two stages. Plastic is also available in these two stages. Nuclear and nuclear envelope. You know, in the during the interphase or prophase, the nuclear envelope is takes digest place, and nucleus also similarly doing in the meiosis and mitosis. So answer is nucleus envelope. Thank you so much.